How to form WH questions in the simple past tense. First, you need a WH question word. Then put did, subject, plus the base form of a verb. Where did you go yesterday? To answer, you should use the verb in the past form. I went home. What is used to ask about the thing? What did it eat this morning? It ate meat. What did she buy for her husband yesterday? She bought flowers. We use who to ask about a person. Who did they help? They helped their grandpa. Who did she sing with last night? She sang with her friends. Where is used to ask about the place. Where did your parents visit last month? They visited China. Where did he play soccer last week? He played soccer in the park. We use when to ask about time. When did she wake up? She woke up early in the morning. When did you finish your homework? We finished our homework before dinner. What time is used to ask about time, but it's specific to the hour. What time did she wake up? She woke up at 7 a.m. What time did you finish your homework? We finished our homework at 8 o'clock. We use why to ask about a reason. Why did you go to work by taxi yesterday? Because I didn't have a car. Why did he look happy today? Because he won the race. How is used to ask about manner. How did she look in the red dress? She looked beautiful. How did they go to work in the morning? They went to work by bus. Which is used to ask about one thing from a group. Which movie did you watch last night? We watched Mango. Which subject did you like at school? I liked English. Listen to this conversation to see how they use WH questions for the simple past tense. Hi Linda, how was your weekend? Hi Mary, it was nice. Where did you go? I went to the cafe near the park. Who did you meet there? I met my cousin. What did you eat? We ate a chocolate cake. When did you go there? I went in the afternoon. What time did you arrive? I arrived at 4 p.m. How did you go home? I walked home. What did you do at home? I watched a movie with my sister. Which movie did you watch? We watched Frozen.